Here is the back side of today's worksheet. I'll be helping you with these problems. So these first 6 are all angle addition. So this is number 1. If you find the measure of angle MLK. So if you remember, angle MLK is this one right here. This is what we're trying to find, the whole thing. Angle MLB is 44. Right? Connect MLB. BLK is 96. So to get the whole thing, all we have to do, we add the 2 little ones and they equal the whole thing. So 96 plus 44 is 140 degrees. So here, number 1, the measure of angle MLK is 140 degrees. So pause the video and do number 2. The setup should be very similar. I'm going to go ahead to the next one. Here, same idea. CDE, the whole angle, equals the sum of the smaller 2. This one plus this one. Right? So the measure angle CDE, the entire thing, which this time they said CDE was 148. So the whole thing is 148. And we are trying to find QDE. So we're trying to find this one, CDQ 110. So plug in what we know. So the whole thing equals the sum of the 2 little parts. So 148 equals 110 plus the measure of angle QDE, right? Plus what we're trying to find. Do some algebra, subtract 110, get 38 degrees. Okay? So watch it again, read it, figure it out, and then do this one. Okay, so these 2 are very similar. Now I'm going to go on to the next one. Here it gets a little more tricky. So we start out always the same way. The measure of angle KLM. So this is KLM. This is the whole thing. And in my problem, it says KLM is 156. So the whole thing is 156. Then measure angle KLA is 4x plus 10. So I write that in here, 4x plus 10. ALM is 12x plus 2. So this is where we have to solve an equation, right? Find the value of x. So I plug in what I know. KLM is 156. KLA is 4x plus 10. ALM is 12x plus 2. Combine like terms. 4x plus 12x is 16x, right? Subtract 12 from both sides. 144 equals 16x. Divide both sides by 16 and x equals 9. Okay, so again, feel free to pause the video, watch it again, rewind, and then do this one. So I have done these 3. I want you to do these 3. And then we're just going to look at the next 4. These are all bisecting, right? So bisecting cuts in half. So I know these 2 are equal. So I know 33 equals 4x plus 1. You can solve that for x, right? I also know this diagram, when these tick marks mean these are equal. So even though it doesn't say the word bisect, just having those marks means that you can set these equal. Solve for x. So again, we know this is x. And then here I want you to read the directions, fill it in, and find the measure of angle CAB and the measure of angle CAD if BAD is 38. Once you're done with this, turn it into the sub.